'cause it makes me blush, it keeps me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her, yeah. May babae ako nakitang kay ganda.
Hi guys! Good evening! My name is Marisol Mohiko and welcome to my vlog! So, ngayon gabi po, ang gagawin namin ay Balut Mukbang Challenge. Ayan. Okay, so hindi pa siya nagagawa ng kahit sino. Simulan natin ang Mukbang Challenge! So, ayan. Damay-damay nito. Nag-crave kami sa balot. Ayan guys, simulan na natin yung pagkain ng balot.
Yung muna ko nito.
Keep, pagod ang kutsara, keep.
Also, here you go.
Ayan na po. Kakain tayo ng balot.
Oh, Baby Moses. Yeah, I typed in his 600 from his wallet. Let's go ahead and give it to her and see if she takes it. Oh, she took it. Nice. Okay, it's time to rob this guy. Wait, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. You're the one who wanted to fight for the problem. Let's see if he wants to lose my friend. I guess we haven't already done that enough. Come on in. Make yourself comfy, big man.
Ayan na po. Ang unang subo ng balot.
Isang sasali na rin natin sa ibig sa
Sarap. Nalagyan mo yung iba sa asin.
Give me all your money. You what? Take out your money. Oh, you already did it. Get it over, thirsty boy. This was the first trap and you fell for it. Oh, he's getting the double back too. Oh, this guy was rich. Wow. I'm gonna jump off the balcony now. Jump off the balcony. Do it now. Wow.
Shout out sa Beckia Peña Florida's vlog. Follow nyo din po siya. Magaling siya kumain ng balot.
Oh, we want to see the request to carry me. Cardboard water. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's actually giving me so far. I bet you caught some blood in Finding Nemo. Wow, thanks, hero. Let's see if we can get him to take us to his house.
Nakasabit lahat ng ngipin ko yung balot. Guys, ang sarap niya. Tara na! Guys, pag nagbalot kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan magkalit kasi hindi ko sigurado kung magigising ka pa bukas.
Wait, what are you asking to Mark? That's being disrespectful. Don't talk back to your mother. She's clearly talking to you. All lives matter. Guys, I don't want to go to you for what's going on. Nothing bad is happening yet. I mean, let's serious right now. No practice. There must be a cameraman in the bush somewhere. These guys are red.
Standing in front of the world's tallest trampoline tower. Come on, jump off. Let's go. Oh my God, let's shake it. Come That was freaking insane. That's one of the highest jumps I've ever done. I think I got this.
Kung mahilig kayo sa balut guys, makakaubos kayo nito ng isang tray.
Alright, so I'm up next. Now we're all in the hot tub. How are you guys feeling? So everyone is currently in the hot tub. We're all full, right? Don't worry, it's time for the first challenge. The first challenge is everyone must take a shot of hot tub. I can't get no spicy stuff at all. Spicy stuff plus hot stuff? Oh my God. Oh, it's so hot, bro. There you go. That's actually so bad. Everything about Look at Jerry's back. This is how hard it is. There's a red line when the water is We've been here for about 5 minutes. Time for the first bit of extremely hot water. In the hot tub. You're actually sweating so much. I know I'm sweating. It's hot. Alright, so it's time for the first challenge. In the first challenge, we all have a ball, and we have a trap. So the last person to make a shot will be a hot water attack. 3, 2, 1. That didn't make a shot. You have to get hot water attack. We got her out because of that. Okay, one person is out, which means 3 of us are remaining. So, since you did this far, I'm going to reward us with some cold water. So, we all get water. Oh, yeah. So good. Holy water, I've never tasted so freaking good. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know it's my only challenge, but I don't know how long it's going to make it because I'm done. It's probably been like around 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes, bro? Oh my God. minutes, which means there was more hot water added. Holy crap.
I'm literally feeling so lighted right now.
Alright, so it's time for the next challenge. This challenge is going to be a breath holding competition.
Oh my
We have to go
god.
under the water, which means our brains will probably be fried. Alright, so the winner of this challenge will get a lot of cold water poured on their heads. So you're going to want to win. Alright. 2, 1.
Oh my god, they've been underwater for so long.
He came up! Okay, I'm going to be careful. I have to step up. I don't know how they're still down there. I hope they're okay, because that is way too hot. I really don't feel safe. Oh my god!
Is that man still down there right now?
Oh, there it is. Yo, wait, look, what? Stop. That was not fun at all. I hate you so much. Stop. I'm just gonna go with the whole pool. Oh, that felt so freaking good. There's no way I can stay there any longer. When I was underwater, my head was on fire. Alright, as promised, Dom, you do get a bunch of cold water poured in your head, so got some cold water right here. Oh. Yeah. How'd that feel? Oh, that felt so good. Dude, I feel like I'm about to pass out like any minute right now, man. I've never seen Jeremy look so miserable in my life.
Well, I'm in like a 300-degree pool right now.
Well, okay, it's not 200 degrees, but it's hot.
It feels like it.
Alright, are you guys, I got some food for you. I'll be right
I
back.
feel like this is not gonna be good.
Alright, so here I have some noodles, not just any noodles.
Why are they going
I
around?
hate doing forms, but these are the hottest noodles that you can buy.
Dude, what the heck is wrong with me?
You're gonna have to eat some noodles now.
Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, go for it. Yeah, don't say it. Oh my god.
I forgot one thing. Hot
No. What is wrong with you?
Hot Cheetos to make it a little hotter.
Oh my god.
Alright, so after eating the hottest noodles ever with hot Cheetos, I can see how Jeremy feels.
That's so good. Man, dude, my butt is on fire now. What? Not gonna work from out here. How about we split the money and we both get out? Oh, this is not how it's gonna work, Jeremy. Come on, bro. I'm hoping to get out. Hey, stop. Hey, chill.
They just ate a lot of spicy food. You guys want something to drink? I'll get you a drink real quick. Hold up. I wanted something to drink, so first ingredient, sriracha. Next ingredient, cayenne pepper.
Oh my god.
This is freaking brutal. Some chili powder. Spicy sriracha oil. Finally, some jalapenos to top it off. Here we go. They want something to drink, so I made them something to drink. Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad. Alright, your drinks are ready.
Oh my god, bro. I just smelt it. Holy shit. Alright, you know what, man? I trust you. Cheers. Oh no. Oh my god, bro. Hold back. Oh, what is that, bro? Oh, what's that? Dude, I'm gonna pass out, bro.
Jeremy is dying.
I'm not getting out, though.
They're literally not getting out. Like, no one has given up yet. I have to do something to get someone out. So here I have 2 very warm snow jackets.
Oh.
You're each gonna put it on and just stand there until someone gets out. Guys, keep in mind it's also like 90 degrees today. There we go. Holy crap. There you go.
I don't feel like my head right now.
Alright, I think I gotta like
Drop all the heat in there. No. Alright. Yo, I'm so hot right now. I'm gonna win this challenge. I'm not getting out.
Wait, what is Dom doing?
I'm out. Oh, that feels so good, bro.
Guys, you know what that means? Our winner is Jeremy! He feels hot, like his back. I could fry an egg on Jeremy's back.
Yeah.
And the winner of the last week hot tub challenge is Jeremy! Alright, so I just posted on my Instagram story saying that the first person to show up to where I'm at right now wins a bunch of free merch and $1,000. So now it's a race to see who the first person to get here is. This is about to be freaking crazy. Let's go. Alright, so I am currently outside of the OTM fight shop down the street from where I live. So now we wait to see who the first person to show up is. Alright, so while we wait for someone to show up to the shop, be my coach, Sean.
It takes huge amounts of courage to get in that ring and what he did in front of that many millions of people.
Thank you, coach. By the way, for those of you guys that don't know what he's talking about, is last week I did a boxing match. Maybe I should speak to being a YouTuber, but
No.
we'll try again one day. Go down below, subscribe to Todd's channel. It's the first link in the description. Show them how strong the fan base is. So, what should they do?
Show up to my page. We're
Subscribe. That's right. Subscribe. But guys, if you don't know, currently we are in the OTM fight shop. The address is right here. I come here all the time. So if you do show up and buy some stuff, buy all from me. So guys, show up to OTM fight shop, buy some stuff. They helped me out so much last month. So now we wait. No way! Wait, unfortunately, you're the second one. Oh no! I'm kidding. We're actually the first one. Actually, did you jump on the scooter? No way! Let's go! So you know what that means?
No way.
$1,000 in cash. Actually,
It's my birthday, man.
it's your birthday?
No!
Happy birthday!
And wait, hold up.
No way.
Some free merch? Some free merch. Congrats, thank you. Of course.
She said you can sailor on, she got the perfect fat. She said you can sailor on, she got the perfect
So I'm about to FaceTime a bunch of my subscribers and ask them to give me a dare. I know you guys don't hold back and always give the best dare, so I'm probably screwed in calling a bunch of Wild Club members. If you're not in the Wild Club, what are you doing? Let's see what Jennifer has to say.
Oh my god.
Hello. So I want to ask, can you give me a dare?
Yeah, shave all the hair off of just one leg.
Bro! Oh my god! I just realized I don't have shaving cream or a razor, and I feel like it'd also be funnier if I waxed my leg. Oh my god, that is so sticky. Here we go. Oh! 3, 2.